Yo, what is going on? It is Solo and we back with another video. And in this video, I actually want to show you how this bot that I created from TradingView was able to make literally over $20,000 so far this month. And this is pretty much our testing month, but it's been tested and back tested before I even went live with it. So in this video, I just want to break down pretty much the methods to this bot and how you can use this bot to even pass challenges, as it actually helped current students in our community. So if you are ever interested in even doing something with Funder Pro, which is who I use as a prop firm to pass, or to even have a challenge in general, you can do a single phase. I recommend a single phase, especially for this bot, so you can just go ahead and pass one time and then go ahead and get funded and then get your first payout. So make sure you check that link. You do get that 20% off if you ever want to use Funder Pro. But like I said, this bot is our first full month going live, and it is a strategy of one of mine, and it has crazy risk management rules, and I'm gonna break all of this down in a little bit so y'all can fully understand. Let's get into it. So first and foremost, I'm using TradingView. Like I said, this is a TradingView bot. If anybody here don't know what a TradingView strategy is essentially like an EA with meta quotes, where it will automatically take trades for you. But the downfall about it that TradingView does not have yet, don't know when, is it doesn't necessarily take an actual trade if you're using a broker through TradingView. So that's the only downfall. However, I do have a hack around it, and I'll be showing you that. So make sure you don't skip past this video, because we'll be talking about that in a little bit. But first and foremost, as you see, this bot does trade only indices, gold, and futures. So if you're one of those three type of traders, this can work. So we're looking at NASDAQ 100. As you see, with NASDAQ 100, it works prime even when it consolidates. And that's literally what's been happening for really the past week. And that's really what I wanted to show you first, because if my bot can do wonders in consolidation, then y'all should already know what it would do in the trend. So therefore, as you see, we pretty much have a L, TP, L, TP, 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 L, TP, L, L, TP, L, TP, 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 and TP over here, right? Now, the thing about this bot is it is mainly a trend-based strategy bot, but what it essentially does is it will find the range of that trend. Rather, if this is the most recent range, it will find that range, and then inside that range, it will pick out these POI levels, areas of interest, target levels that I talk about in a lot of my videos, where let's say you believe that this area may be interest for a price to tap into, or you might say this level might be interest for a price to tap into. Well, what happened is, once price is tapped into these areas, it initiates this trigger point where then it'll say, all right, look, we tapped into a POI, AOI level, and this is a potential buy. So let's keep our eyes open, right? Now, the beauty of this is this strategy takes half a percentage once it hits a certain TP, and then it rises it all the way through, moving the stop loss to break even. And that's basically what this whole bot does. So the cool thing, as you guys see here, so let's kind of look at all TPs right here, smashing. So if you guys look closely, I'm on a 15-minute time frame. It does work really well on a 15-minute, higher time frames too, but 15-minute does justice. If you guys look here, you will see that it brought 5 contracts. That's basically what this buy 5 down here is. And you see all of these different, it's just basically saying either TP hit or not. It took a buy here, and then it immediately smashed TP1 instantly, right? Immediately smashed TP1 instantly. It took half of that TP1, which is 50%. And then from there, we have this EA strategy or TradingView strategy set to where once TP1 is hit, let's take only half of this trade out, move the stop loss to either break even or some pips. And regardless if this trade goes left, we made money for the day. However, right now I don't have it set like that. I just have it set to just free roam. And the reason why I have that set is because on my Discord community, we have an entire signals room where the bot will literally call out a buy position or a sell position. And if you are in the community, you do get pretty much access to this bot. And this is pretty much what it will look like. So it would be something like this, where it'll call out, like I said, a futures trade or indice, and it'll tell you the TP1 position, TP2 position, the stop loss position, also the entry type, whether if it's a sell or not, and then the risk type, whether if this is a 1-to-1, 1-to-2, 1-to-3, 3-to-3, 3-to-4, and the time frame that is taking this trade on. Once it hits TP1, that's when that stop loss should get moved to break even, and then so forth. So a lot of times what the bot will do is once it even hits TP1 and then goes left, it will also still say stop loss is hit. And the reason being is because we expect the trade and we expect the bot to go all the way through the TP2, but sometimes, you know, we will still get that TP1 to hit, and sometimes a lot of traders want to go to TP2, so they might just adjust their stop loss to break even and just let that trade ride to TP2 for full potential. However, like I said, for me, I'm one of those type of traders. I'm in and out. I'm in and out. So this trade will end up being an L. We had a bunch of trades inside here, and like a smaller scale, even called out, and a bunch of trades here. So I always say, if you're still in the game trying to learn how to trade, or you're still trying to perfect your risk management and you don't have that locked in, this is pretty much a way for you to get in, pass a challenge, get your first payout, get your second payout, or get in, grow your account, whether if you're using iSpring FX or whether if you're using CoinX with MetaQuotes. You know, iSpring is with TradeLocker. Regardless of whoever you're using as an actual broker to trade, you have the support here, and that's pretty much what this bot does. Like I said, it's really good on gold, and gold is mainly on a swing trade level, but I just really want to show you guys what it did with gold. So as you see for gold, for literally the past, I would almost just say the past couple weeks, we've been smashing TP1 for sure. This one was actually an L. This one was an L, unfortunately. This one was only TP1. And the crazy part is this consolidates too, right? This is more of a swing trade. This was a TP1 only, close to TP2. This was all right here is all TP smashing. And this right here was only a TP1. So like I said, this one is more so just for gold. It's more so on the swing side. And we just found that this works best for that. But it's a simple strategy, helps you find a range. And I've been using this personally on my account, and it's been justice so far. So, you know, if y'all not following me on Instagram, man, definitely follow me on Instagram, because that's where I'm posting a lot of these results, and also in the community, of course. And check in. Let me know what y'all think. I appreciate the support. Your boy Solo. See you on my next video. Peace.